Click Enter Class. You can enter the classroom. Number 7, Classroom Management. Now we come to the classroom page. On the top right is your headshot, and on the bottom left is students' headshots. Before you click Start, students cannot see you or hear you. You may get ready for the class during this time. Click Start. Students can see you and hear you now. Number 8. Click this button. You can upload video, audio, or pictures within the size of 100 megabytes. Number 9. Click here. You can centrally manage all the students' sound. Number 10. If you want to hear a certain student's sound, click here. A slash will appear on the microphone. Click it again. The slash will disappear. At this time, you cannot hear the student's sound anymore. Remember to open the student's microphone if you want them to speak. Number 11. Drawing a line is most often used in the class. You can have students draw a line or circle something. At this time, this button can help you. Click here. There will be a slash on the pen which allows students to draw lines or make circles. Click it again. The slash will clear away. That means students cannot draw anymore. Please remember to open the function of the drawing pen. Number 12. Rewarding is encouraged in the class. Click here. You can reward a student a trophy for his excellent performance. We suggest you give away 4 to 6 cups as an award according to their performance. The great sense of achievement may make them love your class more. Of course, when the trophy is given, body language will be helpful. You can encourage them by clapping, thumbing up, or any ways you like. Number 13. This button will help you show to students a word or letter that is not in the PPT. Click it. You can input the text. Number 14. Click here. You can select a font size. Number 15. The palette below it can make your text more colorful. Number 16. You can draw quickly a circle or rectangle on PPT by clicking this button, which helps students find the item you want to ask as fast as possible. Number 17. Click Eraser. You can clear away something partly. Number 18. Click here. You can wipe out any trace on PPT. Number 19. On the bottom right of the home page is bulletin board, where you and the students can input text.